Good afternoon, students. Today our topic is clubbing. What is clubbing? Clubbing is defined as the bulbous enlargement of soft tissue of distal phalanx. It is the enlargement of pulp of distal phalanx with both transverse and longitudinal curving of the nails. Transverse as well as longitudinal curving of the nails. If this is the finger, what happens in clubbing? There is the enlargement, this is the uniform enlargement of the pulp of distal phalanx. It gets enlarged as well as the transverse and the longitudinal, this is the longitudinal as well as the transverse. Increase in curvature of nails occurs. This is the clubbing. So in order to confirm the clubbing, we check the Lowy bond angle. What is Lowy bond angle? It is the angle formed between the nail bed, angle between nail bed and the proximal part of distal phalanx. Its normal value is less than 145 degree. When it is greater than 180 degree, it is indicative of clubbing. That means the person is having clubbing. You should look for the clubbing. For this, you go for the another test, that's Shim Sign. What is Shim Sign? Shim Sign is when two fingers are held together, close together, so that the two nails are facing each other. This way. Normally, a diamond-shaped space exists between the two fingers at the level of nail folds. But in clubbing, this diamond-shaped space gets lost. This is known as Shim Sign. When you look into this diamond-shaped space of a person who is having clubbing, he doesn't have this diamond-shaped space. Normally, you can see I am having this space at the level of nail folds. I am having this space, but in person who is having clubbing, there is loss of this diamond-shaped space. This is known as Shim Sign. Clubbing is one more thing. This Lowy bond angle, this angle subtends between the nail bed and the proximal part of the distal phalanx. Nail bed and proximal part of distal phalanx. This is the Lowy bond angle, and it lies in the sagittal plane. It is in the sagittal plane. You remember it. Whenever you check for the Lowy bond angle, go through the radial side. You should look at the level of your eyes into the Lowy bond angle from the radial side. Now, grades of the clubbing. Normal, this is the normal Lowy bond angle, and in grade first clubbing, nail fold is filled. This is grade first clubbing. The angle, of course, here will be greater than 180. It is greater than 180. This is the nail bed. This is the proximal part of the distal phalanx. Angle here will be greater than 180. This is the grade second clubbing. It is also called parrot beaking because it resembles the parrot beak. Grade third clubbing. Anterior-posterior enlargement of the soft tissue of the distal phalanx occurs in grade 3 clubbing. And grade 4 clubbing, you look at the figure. This is the transverse enlargement of the soft tissue of the distal phalanx occurs, and when it is present, this is known as grade 4 clubbing. This is also known as drumsticking. Drumsticking. Grade 2nd is parrot beaking and grade 4 is drumsticking. You remember it. These are the grades of the clubbing. It is very easy to remember. Normal, angle should be less than 165. When it is greater than 180, this is grade 1 clubbing. Filling of nail fold occurs. Grade 2nd, beaking. Grade 3rd, increase AP diameter. Grade 4, drumsticking. That is it. Class dismissed.